my Dexcom is expired, so I guess we better change it before I go to the gym. Pete wanted to say hello this morning. This one is pretty on there, so I don't think the tweezers are going to be able to rip it off today. 3, 2, 1. Get the new one on. Nail check. Okay, I think we're gonna do it over here today. Wow, I lied. The more I think about it, the more I want to do it like over here. Okay. We're not gonna overthink it. Boom. And to top it off, an over patch. Okay, there we are, you guys. I'll see you in the next site change video.